In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to turn your school notes into better study materials. If you already keep your class notes, homework details, or assignment research inside Notion, this can save you a lot of time. Instead of reading through everything from the beginning every time you study, you can use Notion AI to help you break information down into something clearer, shorter, and easier to review. Start by opening a Notion page that contains your school notes or assignments. This could be notes from one class, a reading summary, lecture points, or even a rough page full of ideas that still needs cleanup. It helps if everything you want the AI to work with is already on the page, so take a quick look and make sure your content is there before moving on. Next, click the Notion AI option. Depending on your layout, this may appear directly on the page or in a menu. Once it opens, you can begin giving it simple instructions based on what you need. A great first step is to ask Notion AI to summarize your notes. This is useful when your page is long or when you want a quick overview before a test. A summary can help you identify the main ideas, key terms, and the most important points without having to sort through every sentence manually. After that, you can use Notion AI to create study guides, flashcards, or quiz questions. This is especially helpful if you want to actively study instead of just rereading notes. Study guides can give you a structured review sheet, flashcards can help with memorization, and quiz questions are useful for testing your understanding before an exam. If there are parts of the material that feel too technical or confusing, ask Notion AI to explain difficult topics in simpler words. This can make a huge difference when you're trying to understand something for the first time or when a teacher's explanation in class moved too quickly. You can also compare the simplified version with your original notes to make sure the meaning stays accurate. Another helpful use is asking it to organize messy notes into clear sections. If your page has scattered ideas, incomplete sentences, or content copied from different sources, Notion AI can help turn that into a more readable structure. That makes studying easier because everything feels more organized and less overwhelming. Before you rely on anything it creates, review and edit the AI output carefully. Make sure the summary is accurate, the quiz questions match your class material, and the explanations make sense. AI can be a strong study assistant, but your final review is still important. Once you've cleaned it up, you'll have study materials that are much easier to use.